Okay. Thank you, dear students, dear listeners, dear friends, for taking this part to follow this lesson. It is a Unity free in Senior 2 ICT, but it is not concerning honor students. It can be also useful to you if you are not a student. This lesson is about object in a document. Once I am writing a document, how can I insert an image, a shape, or any object, and how can I manipulate them? We sometimes ask ourselves, how do people make a cover of a photo? A cover of a book. If you are a university student, how can I make a beautiful presentation of my dissertation, my research, my whatever, my book, when I'm writing a book? How can I make my assignment very attractive? How can I make my word, my document, my notes very beautiful and attractive? So this unit will deal with all those items. In this unity, you will be able to insert symbols, pictures, tables, and objects in a document. What you need is just to have a Microsoft Office in your computer, which allow you to go in Microsoft Word. We do this in Microsoft Word. Okay. In this unit, you study how to insert, how to manipulate, how to make a very interesting text box, tables, pictures, equation, symbols, and word art, as well as tables. Okay. I welcome you to this lesson. I'm teacher Eric Bunani, and this is AirTech ICT Classroom. Welcome. The first point we are going to see is how to insert and format text boxes. You can ask yourself, what is a text box? A text box, it is a text. It is a text, or it is also called text field. It is also the other name is a text field or text entry box. It is a graphical that is intended to enable the user to input, to write a textual information to be used by the program. You can write down a text, a simple text in a text box. You can write a quote of someone or someone who said something, a quote. You can use for another information like announcement or highlights for any depending on your purpose. So text box can be used in this situation. It can be used to attract or draw attention to the piece of highlight, a piece of text. When someone take your document and you have included the text box, the eyes automatically direct him or her to the message right in that text box. So when you would want to draw attention, you can use text box. You can use it when enhancing layout of the document to make your document very beautiful and attractive. You can use it to insert label on an object or in the margin. On another case, you can use it when you are, for example, when you are writing a drawn story. When we can make a story but followed by pictures. You can direct the discussion between one person to another, by using a text box directly to the speaker. So without delaying, let us go on, and don't forget to click on subscribe to this channel, which will give you information about ICT. The first point, we are going to study how to insert a text box in a document. There are two methods. The first method is to insert. It is to use insert tab to insert a text box in a document. There is another method which is to use the shape features to insert a text box in a document. Let us begin with the first method. The second method will be studied in the next video. You were asked to stay in touch to continue following our uploads or our videos on this channel. It is ELITech ICT plus Bloom. Okay. When we are inserting a text box in a document, first of all, you click on Insert tab. Let me go. Click on Insert tab. I open my Word document. I search Word. Then I click Open here, Word document. I click on blank page. When I've said click on Insert tab, the tab is here. This tab is here. This one. Home, File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Reviews, Review, and View, Help. So I click on here, Insert tab. Then I come to Text Box. When I come to here, Text Box group, I can place on this arrow, down arrow, to choose the bolding text default. There are different defaults. The machine recommend you can choose one, or you can come and draw your own text box. I am going to use these two ways. First of all, let me begin with the bolding text box. Let me click on this here. You see, I can delete and write my desired text. I can write welcome to ICT Lesson Unity 3, which is document objects in a document. Session 1. It is about insert and format a text boxes. Yes, you see, I can type any text I want. You see, this is the first method, and the second method is to just to go in Insert, then I click on the down arrow, then I come here to draw my own text box. When I click on draw a text box, just you see the close there. It is close, shows you that you are eligible to draw your own text box. Just what you do, you come on your mouse, then you click long press on left click, then you drag the mouse anywhere you want. You see, I can come here, I can come here again. Yeah, you draw as you desire. Then after you see the text box is there, you can write and you type anything you want. Can say ICT how to insert a text box. How to insert a text box. Method 1 is using insert tab. Using insert tab, this method 1. When you view your document, you see how it is. This one text box I've inserted using method 1 and using method 2. This is the way we can use to insert a text box, and you have seen the method number 1 where we use insert tab when I come here on the insert. On the next video, we shall see how to use or to use a shape in order to insert a text box. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your subscribe, leave your comment for any development, any clarification, for any question or your wish, or what you need to teach you about ICT. Just leave your comment, and if you like this video, this lesson, you just click on like and share to your friends. I'm Teacher Eric. I'm Teacher Eric, and this is EdTech ICT class. Thank you. Bye bye.